Today is an opportunity for all of us as a community to honor and remember all that we lost 17 years ago on 9/11 and to pay tribute to the service and sacrifice for all that was lost in the years since, to the family members who have lost a loved one in military service. Today, we're going to be providing 500 care packages to go overseas to the servicemen and women, and 500 care packages going just up the street to New England Center and Home for Veterans.
It's a message of appreciation, it's a message of honor, it's a message of acknowledgement of service and sacrifice, and that they are not forgotten.
Martin Luther King said one time that anybody can be great because anybody can serve. That's exactly what today is all about, to try and create something positive.
I'm here today on behalf of the city of Boston to say how proud I am of this city and how proud I am of this Commonwealth and how proud I am of our country. Because at the end of the day, we always do the right thing.